All of us are in mourning. He was a great prime minister who served the nation as prime minister, finance minister. He was somebody who was a visionary, who did a great deal for the country. And we are all cancelling the very elaborate programs planned here and rushing back to Delhi, most of us. So I think it will be cancelled. I mean, it's not for me to announce. The government of Karnataka will announce. But for me, I have to get back now and see.
Sir, you worked in his cabinet. How do you remember him, sir?
I remember him as a wonderful man, a good leader, a compassionate individual, a great visionary.
Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh passed away on Thursday night, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi, informed PTI. Singh, 92, was brought to the emergency department in the evening in a critical condition after sudden loss of consciousness, AIIMS said. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and his predecessors Sonia and Rahul Gandhi rushed to AIIMS after learning about his condition. Congress lawmaker Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also reached AIIMS on Thursday evening. Rahul Gandhi and Kharge were to attend a rally in Karnataka, which was later cancelled.
We had organized Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan rally tomorrow. Now all my leaders, three important leaders, my General Secretary, our ACC President, Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Rahul ji, and ACC General Secretary, Organization Venugopal. Three of them just left to Delhi immediately on a special aircraft. And we are trying to arrange for all other MPs also, because all the senior leaders are here. Almost more than 500 leaders across the nation have come here. So we are trying to make them arrangements tomorrow morning. In the midnight, we can't make any arrangements to them. But I am appealing to all my leaders who are here, are doing their protocol duty and serving them, who have to take care of them till they leave the city. So the program which has been organized tomorrow stand cancelled in the honor of our great leader. At 10:30, all of us who are here, I request all of them to join us. We will have to do our prayers and the morning in the CPAT grounds. I appeal to all the leaders of Belgaum and who have been here in Belgaum to participate in the morning program.
Following news of his death, many leaders took to social media to pay their tributes to Singh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrote, India mourns the loss of one of its most distinguished leaders, Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. Rising from humble origins, he rose to become a respected economist. He served in various government positions as well, including as finance minister, leaving a strong imprint on our economic policy over the years. His interventions in parliament were also insightful. As our prime minister, he made extensive efforts to improve people's lives. Singh's most significant contribution to India was the economic changes he pushed in 1991 as finance minister in P.V. Narasimha Rao's cabinet. At the time, India was experiencing a serious economic crisis, with foreign reserves decreasing, inflation surging, and the country on the verge of defaulting on its loans. In 2004, Singh became India's Prime Minister when he led the United Progressive Alliance (UPA) coalition administration. His tenure as Prime Minister is remembered for the stability and economic progress it brought to the nation. Under his leadership, India's GDP increased at an annual rate of approximately 7 to 8%, pulling millions of people out of poverty.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.